Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Chinua Sews. If this is the first time watching my video, thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, turn on your notification bell to stay tuned to my latest content. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for watching. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys on how to cut a pencil gown with a hip knot. First of all, this is my material. The person's measurement is, hip measurement is 40 and I added 15-inch allowance. I'll be folding it by 4. I'll be folding my fabric by 4. I'll be folding my fabric by 4, but I'll leave 1-inch allowance for my zip, that's for the back body. After folding this by 4, the person's full length is the short gown. The full length is 42. The full length is 42, but I'll be making it 43 after sewing to go back to 42. I'll cut it out. After folding it by 4 like this, this is the 1-inch for the zip allowance. Then the front of making 3 by 3, then the 3 by 3, then the back I'm going to make it 3 by 2, but it's going to have an opening. The front, after the band, there's going to be an opening, so I'll be making the opening from the shoulder. I'll be making the opening by 7. It's going to be a round neck. I'll use my French curve to cover the neck. You can see the round neck. Then my shoulder, I'll be making use of 4. The person's shoulder is 16. I'm dividing it by 4. That's what is giving me 4 for the shoulder. The armhole, I'm making it 8. The shoulder is 16. I'm dividing it by 2. It's giving me 8. Then after that, I'm going to use 1-inch for the armhole. That is the edge like this. I'm measuring 1-inch. Then use my French curve to curve it out. Then this is the neck. I'll be removing the neck. I said the back is going to be by 2. The neck will be a bit higher than the front. Use my French curve to curve it out. Then I'm going to measure from the shoulder to the half length. The shoulder to the half length is 16, that is the waist. 17. This is my waistline. This is my waistline. Then from my shoulder to my nipple point, it's 10. This is my bust line. Then from my waist, I'm going to measure 9. But some people use 10, some people use 8. But the person is not that tall. I'm using 9 for my hip line. This is my hip line. Then my bust line. The person's bust measurement is 34. I'm dividing 34 divided by 4 is going to give me 8¼ This is 8¼ I'm going to put allowance. The allowance, whatever you get, you divide it by 2. This is 6. I'm dividing it by 2. It's giving me 3. Then my waist measurement, I'm dividing it by, the waist is 30. I'm dividing it by 4. It's giving me 7½. This 7. I'm dividing it by 2. It's giving me 3½. This is my waistline. Then my hip line, my hip is 40. Divided by 4 is giving me 10. Then I'm dividing this 4. I'm dividing it by 2. It's giving me 2. Then you connect the lines. Don't forget I said this is a pencil gown. After connecting the lines, I'll be cutting out the armhole first. After cutting, this is what it's going to look like after cutting. This is the front body. And this is the back. Then the next thing we are going to do is to open the neck for the front. Like I told you, I said the neck is going to have a band. I'm going to make from the shoulder. I'm going to have an opening 7 inch. The opening is going to just be straight like this. This is it. Then the next thing is to cut our sleeve length. Our sleeve length is 23, but I'm making it 24. This is 24. I'll be folding by 2. It's going to be for the both hands. With our sleeve length. Then I'll be using my French curve to cover the sleeve. using my French curve to trace it. This is a pencil hand, don't forget. I'll be notching out the middle of my hand like this. Then my round arm is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. There's my 7. And this for my hand. This for the both hand. This for the both hand. Hope you understand the process I took cutting the pencil gown and the sleeve. Cut out my pieces to turn the neck. I'm using 1 inch for this is it. Cut out, use my 1 inch. Then I'll be using this 1 inch to turn the neck. Then to turn the neck both the front and the back. I'll be placing it like this. After sewing, it's going to go inside. So after fixing my landing, after joining the shoulder, then I fix my landing. This is how it's going to look like. This is opening at the front. This is how it's going to look like. This is it. Then for the hip knot, I removed a measure 15 inch for it. I don't want it to be that wide. Then I will double it like this. I will double it, then sew it round. Then after sewing it round, I'm going to fix it on the body of the pencil gown. I'll fix it on the front like this. After sewing round, then I will fix it in the front like this. Hope you understand. So after fixing it like this, after turning, then you measure your, after turning it, then you measure your body measurement. That is you do your measurement, that is the bust, the waist and the hip. Then on the hip line, you fix it. First of all, do your measurement, mark it, then you fix. After fixing, when you want to fix it, you plait first. That's you plait it. After plaiting, then at the middle like this, I'm going to plait it with my hand like this, at the middle. I'm going to use this pencil. This is how it's going to be. After plaiting it with my hand at the middle, I'm going to stitch this place. I'm going to stitch it. After stitching, then I will close the body. After stitching, I will close the body like this. After stitching, I will close the body, then fix my zip. Close the body, then fix my zip. After that, I'm going to hem the hand of my dress. I'm going to hem the hand like this. First of all, hem the hand. That is the down of it like this. I'm going to aim it like this by 2. Then I will sew for the both hand. I will sew for the both hand. Then after that, I'm going to fix my zip. So after sewing, turning the hip notch like this, fixing the band on it. Then this is my sleeve. I close my sleeve. Then after that, I'm going to fix it to the body of the dress. When you want to fix the sleeve length to the body, first of all, the jointed part, you fix it like this. You fix it like this, then turn inside. After turning it inside, then this place you notch, you check if it will align with the shoulder. As you can see, it's aligned with the shoulder like this. So I'm going to fix it to the body. Hope you understand the process I took to sew this dress. But in case you don't understand, you can gladly ask your question in the comment section, and I will gladly reply. Thank you. This is how it looks like after fixing the hand. This is the hand after fixing the hand. This is the hip notch, and I aimed it down of the dress. Thank you for watching. But in case you do not understand the step I took to sew this clothes or to cut, please kindly ask your question in the comment section, and I will gladly reply. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Love you.